In the last video, we have learned that how to implement the try-catch block inside the JavaScript. But whenever we are working with try-catch, then we do also have one more thing which is called finally, right? So basically, what does this finally do? It will run after the execution of whether try block or after the execution of whether catch block. So any code, any line of code which you want to execute after try or after catch block, you can wrap it up inside the finally block. So for example, in our case, we are getting success, right? But if I come over here and write console.log finally, then you can notice that after success, it has also console.log our finally string. So this is how the finally works inside the try catch block. If you want to run anything after try or catch, you can wrap it up inside the finally block. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.